Most people think being broke is about income. Earn more and the problems disappear. That's the assumption. But here's the part that breaks it. Some people earning $40,000 a year build real wealth. Some earning $200,000 still feel broke every month. So if income isn't the answer, what is? It's one habit. Spending money the moment it arrives. Paycheck comes in and almost instantly it starts leaving. Shopping, subscriptions, upgrades, things you don't even remember buying later. The problem isn't spending. The problem is having zero gap between earning and spending. Every dollar has a destination, except your future. This habit feels normal because everything around you pushes it. Buy now, upgrade now, enjoy now. So spending feels rewarding in the moment, but what feels good today quietly costs you tomorrow. Here's the real cost, not the price tag, the opportunity. $100 spent today is $100 that could have grown for years instead. Repeat that decision every month, and small choices turn into massive differences. That's why two people with the same income can end up in completely different financial situations. What separates them is one shift. Wealthy people pay themselves first. Before spending anything, they save and invest a portion, then live on what's left. Income creates opportunity. What you do with it creates wealth. The system to fix this is simple. Pick a percentage of every paycheck, 10%, 15%, whatever you can commit to. Move it to savings or investing immediately before you spend on anything else. Live on the rest. Uncomfortable at first, normal within weeks. So next time money lands in your account, ask one question. Am I funding my future or just financing my present? That one question can change everything.